Hey everybody, this is TJ Askew and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to be talking all about Amazon Prime Day, what it is, and how you can best prepare for this weekend's big event. So let's get into the video right now. Amazon Prime Day is one of the biggest events all year as far as online shopping goes. It's basically the Black Friday just for Amazon. In case you didn't know, you have to be a Prime member in order to enjoy the maximum benefits from this big event. So step one is become an Amazon Prime member. If you haven't done so already, I can put a link in the description below about how to sign up. If you're a student, you actually get an extra trial of Amazon just to see if it's something you like, plus there's student pricing as well. So check out the description. This year in 2019, Amazon Prime Day is on July 15th and goes through July 16th. So it's about a day and a half of online shopping, deals galore, and you don't want to miss out on any of the awesome things that you can get on Amazon Prime Day. One of the cool things that Amazon is pushing this year is that there's going to be a lot of surprises. Some deals are out already and you can check out the Amazon app or Amazon.com to see what's already out there, but they're going to be launching a bunch of deals on Amazon Prime Day that we aren't even aware of yet. So check them out this Monday. There are two ways for those of you who have multiple members in your household that you can benefit from Amazon Prime Day as well. You can share your Amazon Prime benefits with a family member or a child or a spouse, and yes, that extends to Amazon Prime Day deals as well. So if you want to capitalize on getting the best prices this Monday and Tuesday, make sure you share privileges with your family members. There's going to be a ton of deals that are going to be popping up over the next few days. If you want to keep an extra eye on them and make sure that you're alerted to when those deals go live, you can press Watch Deal inside the Amazon app or on Amazon.com. It's a great way to stay on top of the best prices for the items that you want. Number two, keep an eye on Prime Day launches. These are specific items that are launched just for Amazon Prime Day, just for Prime members. So keep an eye out on the website and the app for some of the cool things that Amazon's going to be launching. Number three, there's going to be all these Prime deals advertised all over the app and the website. However, if you're searching in Amazon for something that you were looking for anyways, there's going to be a blue box at the bottom that says Prime Day Deal, and this is a way that you can get an extra savings on something you would have bought anyways. Okay, so number four is I have this list here of some extra savings that you can get just for Prime Day. Let's see here. You can get a $10 Amazon credit when you sign up in the Amazon app for the first time. And you can get another $10 Amazon credit after your first in-app purchase. So make sure if you haven't done so already, download the Amazon app. I'll put the link in the description below. This is a great way to get some extra savings for Amazon Prime Day. The second extra savings is that you can install the Amazon Assistant on your desktop to receive notifications on deals that you're watching. And you'll get $10 off your next purchase of $50 or more. For those of you who are in the market for an Amazon gift card, whether it's for yourself or for a loved one or a friend, apparently you'll earn a $10 bonus when you reload $100 or more onto your Amazon gift card balance for the first time. And of course, since Amazon now owns Whole Foods, if you spend $10 at Whole Foods markets, either in-store or on Prime Now, between July 3rd and July 16th, you'll get a $10 Amazon Prime Day discount. There are two featured deals that I kind of gravitated towards so far. Number one is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro with an Echo Dot 3rd generation, and it's on sale. Both items are going to cost you just $169 when it would normally cost $298.99. So it's a great way to save on something you might have bought already. Obviously the Ring doorbells are really cool, and Echo Dots are something that I really love using. So if it's something that you're interested in checking out this deal, I'll put a link in the description below. It's an Amazon affiliate link of mine, so I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a look. The other Amazon Prime Day deal that's actually out now that I might recommend for those of you looking for kind of a smart TV solution that might not be Google Chrome Stick or Apple TV. One of the deals is Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote plus 2 months of HBO for just $39.99. So check it out in the description below. Now from my experience last year, Amazon, one of the best companies and best websites and apps in the world, still is going to have a little bit of difficulty processing everything on the day of Amazon Prime Day. So make sure that you get on early, make sure you get on quick. It starts at midnight Pacific time on Monday the 15th. So make sure that if you're on the East Coast, you set an alarm or something, but it's gonna be crazy. I've seen the app and the website go down temporarily. They always get it back up, but it's just one of the biggest shopping days online all year. So make sure that you're prepared and ready to tackle Prime Day. It's gonna take a little bit of perseverance, but I know you guys got this. If you guys liked today's video, hit the like button and make sure that if you haven't done so already, you consider subscribing to my channel for more information just like this. Again, Amazon Prime Day, super good way to get savings on things that you might have already bought or an extra savings on things that might have been on your wish list for the future. So I hope you'll check it out. And if you found today's video helpful, please share it with a friend so they can learn more about Prime Day as well. Good luck on your shopping, and until next time, this is TJ Eskew signing off.